Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about my experience with drones. This is a Syma Z6Pro drone. It is a very small, very light drone. It is easy to use. I got this drone from my wife in my birthday. I was very happy and excited, and I thought finally I can make some videos with drone to use them in my YouTube videos or other videos. But reality was a little bit different. In the first test flight I realized that the video quality was very low. The manufacturer writes on the box that if you insert the SD card inside the drone, you can get a 2K quality out of it. But the video is not close to 2K, so be aware of this. The next problem, in my opinion, is that the camera is attached directly to the drone. It can only move up and down, and there is not any stabilization system. Also, the software of the camera, I think, has not any stabilization system, how to make the videos look nicer, because you can imagine when the drone is trying to maneuver in the air, it is moving right and left and up and down and all the ways, and the camera is also shaking. A good example is this video from an off-road race that I shot with a GoPro Hero 8 camera that has an excellent stabilization system by itself. You can see that the road is quite rough and bumpy and the car shakes a lot, but the videos are super stable. Here on the right side is a much better quality video from a drone I purchased to replace this Z6 Pro Syma drone. As you can see, there are big waves. That means that the wind is very strong, and as you can see, the video is perfect stable. The reason why I'm making this video is because on the internet and YouTube there are not any kind of such videos that tells you what you will get from this drone. There are some review videos, unboxing, how to fly, how to turn it on, what you can do with it, but actually all the other things that are very important for me, like the video quality, the video stabilization and the maneuvering, it is very low quality. And then is the big question, what you can do with this drone? Train to flight? Spend 200 euros for this? For learning how to fly a drone that is slow? With low quality video? I don't know. So that's why I'm gonna use this drone. I'm gonna make a kamikaze drone. Kamikaze drone. I hope this video will be useful for you if you are searching around in internet and trying to understand what drone to buy. At least you will know what you will get from this Syma Z6Pro drone. Have a nice day, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video.